So here recently we picked up a new camper for the family, and we're going through our checklist of things we need to get before we make our first trip, and that leads me to this telescoping ladder that we just recently picked up. Now there's all kinds of shapes and sizes of these ladders on the market. They range in various lengths, heights, sizes, weight, you name it. So I kind of went middle of the road, and that's what led me to this model here. Now this particular ladder is 12.5 foot tall when fully extended and weighs in at just under 25 pounds. What makes these telescoping ladders somewhat nice is that you can put them in one of the compartments on your camper or even in a closet or somewhere in your garage, and they don't take up a ton of space. What's really cool about these is the fact that they have this carrying handle down here. So when you pick up on it like so, you can kind of just carry it under your arm. And even though with it being 25 pounds, which for me is not a big deal, but if you're someone that 25 pounds is a lot of weight for you to carry, having something that's comfortable to carry is going to be a huge deal to you. When it comes time to actually get your ladder out and get it ready to use, it does have this strap on here like so. What's nice about that is you can't accidentally pull out and have this ladder extend on you by accident until you're ready to do so. So let's go ahead and unsnap our buckle here. And now our ladder's ready to use. Now the first thing you're going to notice when I start to use this ladder is just how easy the rungs extend out. In fact, I'm doing that with one finger. And they just lock in place one rung at a time. And then when you're done, you can just hit the little locking tabs on each side and you'll see how easy it slides back down. And just like that, the ladder's back down in place. We can put our strap on it and we're back on the road again. Now the reason I purchased this ladder was because I wanted a way to be able to get up on my slide box before I slide it in at the end of each camping trip, just to make sure there's no branches or other debris or leaves that I want to get off that slide box before I retract it in. That way I don't get the mess inside of my camper and I don't do any damage to my slide itself. Now if I was going to put this up here on the slide, this is what I would do. I'm essentially just going to slide this up like this, and I'll get this up to the top of my slide box. And just like that, the slider's ready to go. I can go ahead, I can climb up this ladder now. I'll take a leaf blower with me or a broom, something of that nature. I'll get up there and clean up the top of my slide box, and then I'll retract my ladder back in, and I'm back on the road, and it's easy as that. Now, one other cool feature about this ladder, and then one of the reasons I went ahead and picked it up, is because I like options. And when I say options, this ladder also comes with hooks, so I could take these caps off like you see on the top here, and replace that with a set of hooks at the top. So if I pull down my little locking tab here, I can get this hook locked in place. And now I've got a way of locking this ladder in. If there's a spot up top that I want to hook this onto, I can have a set of these hooks at my disposal if I need them and the situation arises. So honestly, pretty cool. This ladder is rated at 330 pounds as well. So it gives you quite a bit of weight capacity that this ladder is capable of handling, all while only weighing 25 pounds itself. I think this is honestly kind of a no-brainer to keep in my camper and have on me. And then not to mention, if I got a project around the house that I need, I can always come out here and grab this ladder from the camper, take it in the house, and I've got options there as well. Hopefully that was somewhat helpful for you making a decision as to whether this little telescoping ladder might be the right fit for you or not. Appreciate you guys taking the time to watch, and we'll catch you on the next one.